Welcome! If you want to get Google Maps on your Huawei P40 Pro that doesn't have support from the Google services, you have to get the second smartphone with the Google Play Store, and right here you have to download the Google Maps. If you do, open the application to transfer data. I'm going to use the phone clone. You can also get it from the Google Play Store. And of course on the Huawei smartphones, it's the default application that you get. And right now we have to tap on the new phone on your P40 Pro and the old phone on your second smartphone. Choose the old phone type. This is the also Huawei. And right now scan QR code. Now our smartphones are connecting. Tap here to unselect all of these applications, scroll down, enter apps and data. And right here we have find Google Maps. And here it is. Tap on OK, transfer, input your log method. Tap OK right here. And just wait on our P40 Pro. Finish, ignore, and right now we can enter Google Maps. And as you can see, there's a notification that Maps won't run without the Google Play services, but if you enter the location and tap on the allow only while in use and tap the ignore, you will see our location right here, and these maps are working as you can see. Even that this notification shows us that it wasn't right. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and of course subscribe to our channel.